Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn font size, how we can control the font size and how we can make the more beautiful font size to be big or small, how we are going to be using. It's very simply in CSS font-size property. By specifying the font size, we can get like it may be small or it may be big. However, the font size you can control by adding this particular font size property. Let's see very simple example. I am writing for font H1 tag. I am writing hello. This is heading tag, and H2 also I am taking a very simple example this is other heading, and here similarly we are going to applying common property of p tag. So this is a paragraph text. So let's see, save it, and I'm not applying any CSS over here. So refresh. So heading, H2 and common paragraph. So making these these H1 H2 paragraph font sizes are trying to increasing or decreasing as our convenient px number will go and assign there. How simple it is. In H2 directly we can write the H2 tag, or else also you can prepare the classes. In H2 tag font-size, yeah, this one, font-size. How much shall I give here? For let's say example 50 px. Terminate. Let's save it and run the program. Wow, how it see H2, will I take in H2? Oh, so H1 first will apply. Yes, see by default H1 is this is the size. When I applying 50, it is making more big. If you need more big means you can apply the style tag. You can apply the style tag. It's absolutely good. And H2, how it will be font size, let's say around 20 px. If we need more big, or if we need making very little low, we can. So here, and similarly we have used paragraph also. For the paragraph tag, we just take a p tag over here, and font size, font-size. Yeah, it's here around some common font like 18, 12. This way it will comes in the web fonts. So 18 I have given. So let's see this is the paragraph. When I refresh, what happens? See, it's making little bit big. If I want around 50, I'll make it very big. See, by changing the number, I can apply, save it and reload. So this is also very big. If you need, and if you essentially, you can change the number. That's it. Whatever the number, you will get the font by applying the font size and px. And also you can apply here more tags, background colors and all. One by one the CS property you can add over here. It's very simple. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.